Selected a design for the futuristic Golden Dome missile defense system, says the United States President Donald Trump, adding that it will be operational by the end of this time in office. Also, just days after returning to the White House in January, Trump unveiled his intention for the system aimed at countering the next generation aerial threats to the United States, including the ballistic and the cruise missiles. Also, an initial sum of $32 billion has also been earmarked in the new budget bill, although the government has estimated that it will end up costing more than that over the decades. Also, officials have warned that the existing system have not kept in pace with the increasingly sophisticated weapons possessed by the potential adversaries. Also, President Donald Trump has announced that the Space Force General Michael Guillotine has also been overseeing the project. Also, General Guillotine has also been currently the Vice Chief of the Space Operations at the Space Force. 7 days into his second administration, Trump ordered the Defense Department to submit the plans for a system that would deter and defend against the aerial attacks, which the White House said remains the most catastrophic threat facing the United States. Also speaking in the Oval Office on Tuesday, Trump said that the system would also be consistent of the new generation technology and also across the land, sea and space, including the space-based sensors and interceptors. He added that Canada had asked to be a part of this system. Also, during the visit to Washington earlier this year, the then Canadian Defense Minister, that is the Bill Blair, acknowledged that Canada was interested in participating in the Dome project, arguing that it makes sense and it was in the country's national interest also. He also added that Canada has to know what's going on in the region and be aware of the incoming threats, including the Arctic. Trump added that the system would be capable even of the intercepting of the missiles launched from the other side of the world or launched from space. Also, the system is partially inspired by the Israel's Iron Dome, which the country has used to intercept rockets and missiles since 2011.